Hello! Today we are checking to see if the gradebooks are set up correctly. As you can see, I have logged into PowerTeacherPro and I am in the default screen. First, I would like for you to check your categories are set up correctly. Click the grading charm, click Categories. Here you will see the categories that you have set up for all of your classes. Click the Edit button under the Edit column for one category. Here you will see the category name, the color, and that the category is marked active. Click the Assignment Defaults tab at the top. Here you will see that the score type has been set as a default of % if you are using percentage. Your points should say 100 because we are using percentage. Do not add your category weights here. Again, please do not click weight here. If you have already clicked weight and added a weight, simply click the button that says remove weight. Weights should not be added in this screen. Save your work. Check all of your other categories to make sure that they look the same. Under Assignment Defaults, we should say the score type is % if you are using percentage points. Points should equal 100, and we should not have a weight. You can see that under my homework category, I have not selected a score type default, and I have not added 100 points. I will do so now. Now that my categories are set up for all of my classes, I can go in and check my Gradebook Setup. Click the Settings charm, click Traditional Grade Calculations. In the F1 Reporting Term row, you should see under the Actions column that you can click the Edit button. To check F1 Reporting Term and make sure it is set up correctly, you should see that the type says Term Weighting. Your attributes should either say Q1, Q2, E1 or S1, S2, and your weights will be the weights that have already been predetermined. If you have an exam, your weights will be 45 for quarter 1, 45 for quarter 2, and E1 is going to be weighted 10%. If you need to add more rows, you can click the plus button. If you do not have an exam, you can delete E1. Q1 should be worth 50%. Q2 should be worth 50%. At the top, under Term Weighting, you should see the phrase Exact Value Earned. Do not click Term Weighting Points here. It should be set to Exact Value Earned. Otherwise, your student's final grade will be calculated as a 0 if this does not say Exact Value Earned. Click Save to save all progress. Once you have the final one spot checked and set up correctly, you can go in and spot check your quarters and progress to make sure the weights are set up correctly. On the Q1 Reporting Term screen, I am checking to make sure that my type says Category Weighting, that I have included all of my categories that I set up previously, And in the weight column, this is where I add my category weights. You can see my classwork is worth 30%, my tests are worth 40%, my projects are worth 25%, and my homework is worth 5%. It calculates out to the exact percentage, and I will save my progress. P1 should look the same. Q2 should look the same. P2 should look the same. Now you can go through your other classes and make sure that they are set up the same way. If you had to make any changes, be sure to make those changes to your other classes as well. Now you have successfully checked to make sure that your gradebook is set up correctly. Thank you for taking the time, and if you have any questions, please contact your school's IT for more information. Have a great day!